Ayan. We are going to continue to do our pickling. Yan, pagpipickles. Ayan. Ayan. Nalalagyan ko ng maraming sangkap para mas lalong sasarap. Ayan. May konti tayong naiwan dito na dill. Na ano, ayan. Konti lang. Ayan. Pero may dill seeds naman tayo. Ayan. Ayan, dill seeds. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng dill seeds. Ayan. Lagyan natin dill seeds para lalo siyang mabango. Dill seeds. Ayan. Kasi malalaki sila. So, lagyan natin ng marami. Ayan. Yan ang dill seeds. Then dill mustard. Lagyan natin ng dill mustard. Don't worry about ano. Ayan, this is mustard seeds. Ayan, lagyan natin ng mustard seeds. May onions na tayo dito at garlic para lalong masarap. Tapos lalagyan ko rin ng pickling spice. Pickling spice. Yung pickling spice para lalo siyang masarap. Ayan. Pickling spice. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng pickling spice. Ayan. Oopsie. Tuloy. Tapos lagyan natin ng peppercorn. 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 Ayan. 1 and a half. 1 and a half. 1 and a half. Yan ang ating pickling natin. Okay? So, pupunuin natin siya. Pupunuin natin na naman. Ayan. Ang ating punuin natin siya. Ayan. Ayan. We're going to have a breakfast. You want some pancakes?
Yes, please.
Well, okay. You wash all the dishes first in there. And after that, I'm gonna have a big breakfast, brunch anyway for everybody. And potatoes. I'm gonna have that also. Okay?
Let's have some pancake, yeah?
Yeah, I'm
So,
gonna have pancake.
okay.
After
Strengthen
this.
my body, especially my hands. When I do, after eating, go outside and eat.
Yeah, I'm going to clean also the
Oh, you're
terrain.
recording?
Yeah, and I'm also going to have in the terrain too. I'm going to clean the terrain, shampoo and like that today while it's nice and you know sunny. Tomorrow's gonna rain. How much rain are we going to get? So I can plan.
Okay, package is better.